So what is an MCP server in Agentforce? MCP server is nothing but model context protocol server. It is used in Agentforce to connect our Salesforce org with the LLM model. So it ensures that the LLM model is not learning from our Salesforce data. It is just executing it at the real time and at the runtime, and it is not learning or storing any information. And we can define some tools in the MCP server which we can use in the later stage. For example, I want to retrieve the code or deploy the code. Then instead of writing the command in the prompt again and again, I can just define it in the tools and it can then use it automatically. And we can also check the auto approve option. Then it will automatically retrieve or deploy our component to the org instead of asking us for the permission every time. Also, we can define some approval logics. We can define some rules or the workflow rules as well in the MCP server. For example, follow these best practices. Let's say in our organization, we have a best practice to have only one trigger per object, which is in general happens in every org. So we can define rules like that. Also, we can have some other best practices which we are following in our Salesforce org, in our particular Salesforce project. Then we can define them in the workflow rules or in the Agentforce rules, I can say.